Hi, and welcome to Linux and Windows Help. This is episode 8. I've been having problems with all my audio. It got a static in it. So I decided to learn how to remove my static, and I'm going to make it a tutorial as well. I think it's a very helpful thing. Before you start, I want you to install these things. Go ahead and install FFmpeg. We're going to be using that to extract the audio from the video, and also to put the audio back in the video after we edit the audio. And also install this Audacity or Audacity, however you want to pronounce it. I usually say Audacity, like audio, but I think a lot of people call it Audacity. So go ahead and call it Audacity. And just go ahead and install OpenShot. We're not going to be using OpenShot in this tutorial, but that's a good video editor. So go ahead and install that in case you want to add clips to it. But we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be removing the noise out of audio, basically, in this tutorial. So you have to get those installed. I made a couple scripts. Bash scripts, but you can use these commands in the just in the plain terminal. Oop! I didn't mean to run it yet. Close it down. Didn't mean to run it yet. Okay, I made this one extract. And it takes the episode.mp4 and extracts the audio out of it, and it names it audio.mp3, and that's the audio from the thing. Remember, on any bash script, you want to put this ahead of it. So to start a bash script, just right here, just right click, create new empty document, and name it like extract, but I'm just gonna put random.sh. And then you can go into it with a text editor, and you pretty much just copy what we just did. This is the one I had. You just copy it or type it. Remember, this is required though. So you just go ahead and just pop that in there. Like I said, you can also just type this in the command line if you don't want to make a script. I'm going to click save. So this is pretty much a carbon copy. This is pretty much a carbon copy of extract. You just go to properties, go to permissions, change all these to read and write, and just allow executing. It's the same thing. So we just pretty much mimicked extract. It's the same thing. But you can just type that in the command line, and it will extract the audio as well. Then I made something called build. It'll be a while before we get to that, but pretty much this line right here extracts the video out of the episode. It extracts the video out of it, but not the audio, just the video. And it extracts it to temp.mp4. And in this command, it includes temp.mp4, and it includes new audio whenever we edit the audio together, and it creates new episode.mp4. And then this right here removes temp.mp4. So the temp is just a video with no audio. We'll go ahead and we'll just do that real quick, just to show you. Let's open the terminal. I paste the command in the terminal. And that just extracted the video from the audio, and it created a temp.mp4. So this is just video. And this is actually episode 7 that we're see how it's no audio? Don't have me, welcome to Linux and Windows Help. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying to teach. Don't have none of that. So, and then the last command, remove template before deletes this, so you don't see it. So that's pretty much what these commands do. So this is to build it. This extracts the video from the audio, and this includes the new audio and that together. So we're gonna go ahead and extract. Oh, this is the episode I'm recording. I had to rename it to 8. Let's see, here's my thing recording. I had to rename it to 8 because we're using episode 7 to redo, not episode 8. Okay. Gonna go and do extract. So you can create those scripts if you want, both of them, and it'll work the same. Why did I hit display? Whenever you want to run it, you just click it and run in terminal. See how it already created audio to MP3? Right now, this one takes the longest. You got to extract the audio out of it. So we'll go ahead and load up Audacity or Audacity while it's extracting the audio. You want to wait until it finishes. You don't want to. Let's go and let this finish. Yeah, I need to use OpenShot and edit all my coughs and stuff out of it. I'm dying over here because I have lack of beer. You need beer to wash down all the nonsense. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on. And after you edit with Audacity, the way I got it set up, you got to rename it whenever you go to save it. Rename it as new audio.mp3. Change names on you. You just got to rename it whenever you get done editing the audio. Yeah, Audacity is a really great audio editor. I used to use it all the time. I've never worked on videos, to be honest with you. I always just did voices for games and stuff, but never did I learn how to edit videos. I'm sure there's programs out there that that can extract the audio. I thought this worked pretty darn good though, because it's fast. It takes like 2 seconds to throw that audio back into that new video. You don't have to re-encode it. It's the same coding of the video. So, I know a lot of programs, they like to, whenever you export, you like to re-encode everything, and it's all shitty, to be honest with you. But, yeah, I don't like re-encoding videos. I've tried that before. They always come out bad. Always bad. So while you're in here, I think you can hit view and zoom if you want. Yeah, zoom in, zoom out. But we're just going to do the shortcut. You hold the control key and use the scroll mouse and you zoom in. Now you notice how you got all this junk right here? That is called noise. So this is me talking. Blah, 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 blah. And this is noise. You hit play. See how it's noise? It's background noise. Well, there's a lot of typing. That's perfect right there. See how it's... But more than likely, you're not even going to hear the static in the video, because whenever we remove it, it's going to remove the static whenever we edit this video. So you might not even hear anything, but you can physically see that there's static. So I'm just going to go ahead and go out to here. Just highlight an area of just static. Good chunk of area. You know that's just static. And hit effect, noise reduction, get noise profile. So the noise profile is looking for this static. That's all it's looking for. Now hit edit, select all, or Control A. and that selects all the video, or I mean all the audio. Then hit Effect, Noise Reduction, hit OK. It takes a while. This takes a long time to apply noise reduction. Basically, it took that little area that we highlighted and made a profile up, and now it's looking through the whole audio for that to get rid of it. You gotta run this a couple times to each audio clip. You just want to basically keep on running until wherever that static was, you just got a straight line. Just nothing there. And it will actually, it will take the noise out of whenever you're talking as well. It'll like clear up your talking as well. It's not just this noise. This noise runs through all your video because it's a pain in the butt. And my wife is yelling for some reason.
White noise, white noise.
She's yelling about white noise. Yeah. If he was looking for a professional video, this is not one of them. But it's going. And I'm not a professional at this. This is actually my first time extracting audio from video and putting it back together, but it works. I had to do a little research. So it's not just my work. I had to look at other people's examples to figure out how to use it. I never used the FF Impact thing. Works out pretty good. Yes. But I'm not going to try to use Linux command to remove the noise from an audio clip. That would be redonkulous. Alright. It's not a straight line. This is a straight line down here. This is not a straight line. So let's do this again. Effect. Noise reduction. Get noise profile. Effect. Noise reduction. Okay. Oh, forgot. Control A. But basically, you just want to keep on hitting it until you got a straight line. You got all that noise out of there. This is what's going to make the video take forever because I keep on have to run it. But that's what you got to do. Maybe you should, if you got a longer area to select, you could select it, or there might be some fine tuning settings to remove the static. Yeah, I was trying to get the audio removed from my site, from the video clips, and I kept on searching for programs, and I tried one, and it's just like it wanted to re-encode the video and stuff, and it came up. Whenever you re-encode video, it's usually always crappy, and it came out crappy for me. The video you couldn't even read. Yeah. You could also just remove the audio from the video, and you can change the audio later. So if you got an old video, you want to record the audio, you can record the audio. You just want to make it the same length, basically. So, like if the video is 5 minutes and 43 seconds, you want the audio clip 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Otherwise, the last bit of the video, you're not going to have no sound at all. It's just going to be pretty much like me, no sound at all. Come on there. We're just going to pretend, we're not going to do this again. I'm just going to pretend that this is a straight line. See, there's still more noise here. So, you want to keep on running until you get that noise out. This is still pretty good right here, but you just want to keep on running. You probably have to run like 3 or 4 times, depending on how much noise you have in the back. But it does really good, And after you get done, you export the audio. And I got it in Linux and Windows Help, new episode. Remember I said I got to name it New Audio because of my script I made, and also it's got to be MP3. That's fine. So you just name it New Audio .mp3. That's the what I got it set up in the build script.
Honey?
Go ahead and hit save.
Honey?
Yes, dear.
I coughed again for your video.
Why, thank you. Well, apparently it takes 2 minutes to extract the new audio. And it's coming. It's coming. Now we're going to build it. This is going to be fun. Remember the first command, it removes the video from the audio. And then it's going to take that video with no audio and this new audio and combine them together. It only takes a few seconds. It's pretty awesome. This is what takes forever. Encoding and extracting and just grab a beer. That's all you got to do. Grab a beer. This is the time you drink. You know, you drink like a whole beer waiting for this to go. But I just happen to have no beer right now, and also I got to go to work pretty soon and drive a semi, so I don't think I need to be drinking any beer right now. That's whenever I come home after 12 hours and record a video is when I'm drinking beer. Yes. Yes, indeed. But I don't have no beer. I think I'm dying. When the beer is missing from the fridge, it's the first sign of dying. Dehydration. I'm starving my soul of beer. And I'm also getting old. I'm waiting for this to finish. Yeah. Alright, come on, there we go. About damn time. So now we ran the extract and extracted the audio from this video. Now this is build. It's going to be extracting the video from this and not the audio into a temp.mp4, and you'll see the temp.mp4 show up. Then after it extracts the video, it's going to combine the new audio and the temp.mp4 to create new video, or new episode.mp4. You ready? Here we go.
No!
I'm going to move the terminal so we can watch it. Ooh, there's a temp.mp4. Oh! New episode.mp4. Keep on going. Bam! And you're asking yourself, is it really that quick? You notice it deleted temp.mp4. Yes, it is that quick. It kicks. We're going to go ahead and run it. Hi, and welcome to Linux and Windows Help. This is episode 7. This is a continuation
Badass,
from
yeah.
episode 5.
Yeah.
Install a lamp. So you're going to want to watch this
This
is
is
what
what
I learned at 3 o'clock this morning, by the way.
Before you start this one.
Alright. That's the end of this tutorial. I mean, I'll show you an open shot. No, I don't want to save changes. Now I gotta go edit all my videos, even this one, before I can continue. So I gotta do what I just did to all my videos. OpenShot's pretty cool. You know, you just grab your video clip and you can drag it in there. This is what I was going to do at first. Oh boy, and it took like 2 hours for each video. This is what I was going to do at first. What I looked up. It says drag your episode in here. Actually, you gotta drag your... Come on. You drag your episode. Then bring your episode down. And then mute it. And then you bring your audio clip in here. And then you have to re-encode the video. It takes like 2 hours to re-encode a video at those lengths. 2 hours. But I wanted you to mute the audio and bring another audio clip and... But this is not good for that. The things that we just built is good for that. This is good for like chopping the video or adding another video clip in front of the video, like a welcome screen. Welcome to Linux and Windows Help. Maybe in the future I might have something goofy like that in the beginning. Yeah, but right now, no, I don't really care about stuff like that. And I'm not trying to be fancy. I'm just trying to make a channel. Yes. Make a channel. Make some tutorial videos. But OpenShot's really good, though. I'm not going to put it down. It's a good video editor if you need to edit video. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.